Alright, today we're checking out the Graco Mode's Nest Travel System, a stroller that adapts as your baby grows, from infant to toddler. The standout feature? The Slide to Me function. You can adjust the seat to 3 different height positions, bringing your baby closer for those bonding moments, or giving them space to explore as they grow. Plus, the stroller seat is reversible. It easily flips to face you or the world, making it super versatile for any outing. This system covers all stages, from infant car seat carrier to toddler stroller, and includes the Graco Snug Ride 35 Lite Elite infant car seat. It clicks into the stroller smoothly, perfect for quick transitions without disturbing your baby. Parents, you'll love the expandable storage basket, plenty of room for everything you need on the go. And when it's time to store, it folds up in one step and stands on its own. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's designed for convenience. So, if you're looking for a stroller that grows with your baby and is packed with useful features, check out the Graco Mode's Nest by clicking the link in the description, which is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching.